Alright, so this is my recording video for this week's problem. So in the problem, it states that a triangle AEF is a right triangle where AE is 4 and EF is 3. And the triangle is inscribed in a square ABCD, which can be seen here. And so it's asking what is the area of the square. So, well, if we do some angle tracing at the start, so we label this angle as x, and the corner of a square is 90 degrees. So this is 90 minus x, and this is 90 degrees because it's given that it's a right triangle here. So 90 minus x and then 90, that's 180 minus x, and a straight angle always has 180. So this angle is x. And so basically that means that ABE and ECF are similar triangles. And so we take AB and AE, and that gives us the ratio A over 4. And we have EF over EC is 3 over x, and those are corresponding. So uh, actually it's EC over EF, not EF over EC. So we rearrange this and we make it become x equals 3 over 4a. And if I haven't said this yet, a is the side length of the square, and x is EC. So BE is a minus x. So a minus x equals a minus x equals 1/4 of a, because x is 3/4 of a, and a is a. So 1 minus 3/4 is 1/4. So now we have what BE is and what AB is. So what we do from here is we apply the Pythagorean theorem to the triangle ABE. And so what we get is A minus X, which is BE squared, and then plus A squared, which is AB, and take the square root of that. And we already have A minus X, uh, which is A over 4, and then squared, and then plus A squared, and then take the square root of that is equal to AE, which is given to be 4. We take the square of both sides, and so we have A squared plus 16 plus A squared equals 16. And then adding the left-hand side, we have 17A squared divided by 16 equals 16. And from here, we just get rid of the denominator and the fraction in total. And we have the answer of A squared equals 256 over 17. And the side length is this, but that's not important. All right, so that's the end.